Good morning. My name is Abhilash Ganesh Pavnikar, and today's date is that 3rd August 2021. And today's video topic is that uh, methods of array list and linked list. Okay, so let us discuss about what is the exactly the array list versus like a linked list in Java, and let's look at the each one of them like array list and linked list one by one. Okay, so let us start about this video. So an array is like a collection of items that stored at the contiguous memory location. The idea is to store the multiple items of that same type together. So however, the like limitations of that array is that the size of that array is predefined, and it will be fixed. Okay, so there are multiple ways to solve this problem. Okay, so we will look at them each one of them one by one, like array list first, and second one is that linked list. Okay, so we will see the first, that is the array list. Okay, so let us discuss about that. So array list is a part of that collection framework. It is that present in the java.util.package that and yeah, it will be provides us like a dynamic arrays in Java, though it may be slower than the standard arrays, but it can be like a helpful in programs where lots of manipulation in the array is needed. So we can dynamically add and remove the items. So it automatically resizes the it automatically resizes the itself. Okay, so there have a lot of example of that array list. So I will give you the one example of that. So how to define the array list? Okay, so in that our program we have to taken a like array list in that less than sign or greater than size sign in that greater than less than or equal to, in that less than or greater than sign we have to write like a data type like integer, then string, as whatever you want. Okay, so in after that you have to like getting a new object, that is like a new array list of that integer. If I have taken an example like array list of less than in greater than size in between that integer, then object is like array list is equal to like a new array list integers. Okay, so we have to write in that between like array list dot add method or put method. Okay, so that is how to write array list. Okay, so we will move on to the next part, or that is the linked list. Okay, so this class that is the implements the linked list data structure. That linked list are linear data structures where the elements are not stored in the contiguous locations, and every element is a separate objects that with a data part and address part. Okay, so the elements are linked using the pointers and addresses. So each element is known as the node. So due to the dynamicity and ease of that insertion and deletions, uh, they are preferred over the arrays. Okay, so this is also the declaration format how we will be define the linked list. Okay, so we can write our program like a linked list in that between like a string or which data type you want to be passed. Okay, So linked list string like object and equal to like a new linked list string. So that is the in that between like object that object dot add like a, then object dot like add like a b. So that is how our string is print. Okay, so this is the main example of that linked list. Okay, so we will discuss about the what is the exactly the difference between the array list and linked list in Java. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about the array list. These classes like uses a dynamic array to store the elements in it. With the introduction of that generics, this classes supports the storage of all types of subjects. Manipulating like array list takes the more time due to the internal implementation. Whenever we remove an element internally, if the array is traversed and the memory bits are shifted. Okay, so that is this class implements the list interfaces, therefore this acts as a list. Okay, so move on to the linked list. What is the exactly difference of that linked list is that these classes uses a doubly linked list. Okay, to store the like element in it. So similar to the array list, these classes also supports the storage of all types of objects. Okay, so manipulating the linked list classes, linked list takes it will be like a less times as compared to the array list, because in doubly linked list there is no concept of shifting the memory bits. So the list is a traverse and reference link is changed. Okay, so these classes implements the both the list interfaces and the DQ interfaces. So therefore it can be acts as a list and a DQ. Okay, so we will take another difference between that like array list and a linked list. That is like a this class that works better when the application demands like storing the data in data and the accessing it. Okay, so and in that linked list we have to write like and the class works better when the application demands like a manipulation of that stored the data. Okay, so we will discuss about the what is the exactly the Java array list class. So the Java array list classes can contain the duplicate elements. So it may be like the Java array list classes maintains the insertion order, and the Java array list class is like a non-synchronous. Okay, so Java array list allows the random access because array works as the like index basis. Okay, so move on to the array list methods. So first method is that the array list. So in that array list it is used to like build an empty array list. So on to the next method is that boolean add method. Okay, so it is used to like append the specified element at the end of that list. So there have so much method in that array list like boolean add all. It may be like a void clear method. Void clear method is it is used to remove all the elements from this list. So there are also another method is that get method, that is it is used to like fetching the elements from the particular position of that list. Okay, so another one method is that like a boolean is empty. It returns like the true or false value if the list is empty, otherwise false. Okay, like another one is method is that last index object to array. there have so many methods. Okay, so move on to the our next subject is like a linked list. Okay, so we will talk about in that like a Java linked list classes. What exactly Java linked list classes is that like a Java linked list classes that it can be contain like a duplicate elements, and the Java linked list classes maintains the insertion order. So in that case, like Java linked list classes is like a non-synchronous, and it in Java linked list classes that manipulation is fast because the no shifting needs to occur. Okay, and the Java linked list classes can be used as a list or a stack, or it may be like a queue also. Okay, so move on to the next point is that like a methods of that linked list. Okay, as we discuss about in that array list, there have the some methods are same in that linked list also, like a boolean add, void add, that is the boolean add all method. So another one method is that like a get method, void add first method. Okay, so what exactly void add first method? It is used to like insert the given element at the beginning of that list. Okay, and another one method is that like a void add last method. So in that method it is used to append the given element to that end of a list. Then next one is that like void clear, as we discussed about in that array list. So like there have a clone method in that linked list, like it is used to return a shallow copy of an array list, like exactly copied to that linked list. Okay, and then there are like a contains method. There have a lot of methods in that linked list. Okay, thank you so much.